Guys, so this video is for day 12 and 13 of the 30-day challenge that I have taken for myself. And in the last video, I was talking about a client who was, willing to get onboarded but has not made the payment yet. And I wanted to tell that that client has made me the payment. So right now we have closed 48% of the 1 lakh rupees challenge that I took for myself. Apart from that, there was one thing specifically that I also mentioned in the last video that was about dropshipping. So the last 2 days I have been looking out for websites from where I can get this dropshipping business started. So basically, I wanted to do a print on demand kind of a business. So basically, print on demand is a concept where you create a design of a product. Let's say it is a coffee mug, right? So there would be a supplier who is willing to get the design printed. Let's say आपने कोई design बनाया and you upload it on their website, right? So that would be your catalog. You uploaded 10 designs and that would be your catalog. Out of those 10 designs, if one of the design gets an order, so the supplier will print that particular design on the mug first and then deliver it to the customer. So that is what print on demand business is like, and that's how it works. So right now I'm going forward and I'm planning to create a POD business for myself. And for that I was looking out for a couple of websites that can do that. So I have figured out 2-3 websites with the help of which I'm going to create a POD e-commerce store. But for that I also need a website of my own. So I have been looking for a graphic designer who can help me to create a good website for selling the products that I am going to design. So that's about day 12 and 13. I have a lot of other things on my plate as well, and because of that I was not able to create yesterday video and upload it on time. And going forward, I also have to attend a 4-day Excel workshop, which is going to be very amazing and it is going to be very informative. So there might be a possibility that I'll not be able to post on time, but at the same time, the challenge is going really good, and I think I'll be able to get more clients in the next couple of days. So that was it about day 12 and 13. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.